Ay, bafethu sicala lana ke sicala la ku-Paprika. I don't know if some of you have seen this car in our Facebook page. As he posted big time, like this car we started from scratch. Only vele we started with this car on my YouTube with, but then nevertheless we start somewhere. We are not regretting it. Cover the put set up buffet headlines. Abuzwa like high. This car is full Alcantara buffet. Full Alcantara. Yo, bafethu, hayi bafethu, full Alcantara bafethu, dashboard, put set up a mover. Like bafethu, hey, we worked on this car. Unfortunate part is that we couldn't make it Ecam Festa one due to unforeseen things that happened. Ngapha besiphele 678 kunale moto le, so we had to try and push one car. Yabo, but then nevertheless bafethu, hayi zizokhala bafethu, nale rectop lihleli kamnandi. This car will be one of the kind, Buffet. This is one of our product. You can see there, we also even took the car to Power Pipes Buffet too, for some tuning, ear pipe, Buffet. Oh Buffet, this car. We did that last year. We wanted to show this car off at Campfest, but it was unfortunate daskwazanga Buffet daskwazanga. Nalo ke Paprika. I know abantu bazele VR6 bafethu. I-VR6 bafethu i-owner ibhayile sound. Nalo ke sound le VR6 bafethu. So we'll be doing a box in-house. Everything we do in-house, a box, like everything sound in-house. Yabo. Le moto le iyophuma iphelele la guess bafethu. We hardly outsource some things. Even if we outsource it, kuzoba into ezincane yabona. So we'll be busy njenge sound le VR6. Nizobona nje kancane as time goes on. Now ama-city lapha sewakhaviwe nawo bafethu kubhizi. I heard someone athi if we are busy, why don't you get a new a workshop? It's unfortunate that people don't understand that finance is bafethu a problem. It's not like we're getting a lot of money. We need to buy material, we need to do things. So kumele sibudgetele ukuthi simove endaweni better. But then at the moment we are actually using whatever we have, yabo. Yabona siphiyana ngaphandle ke thina, but then we make sure uyawazi mfethu ukudla mfethu ekuphekwe strateni lumnandi kanjani. Hey, nina nazi next nina. When my head was underwater, they called me weak. Like I'm not just somebody's daughter, I could have been a nightmare. Box liyenziwa liyahlangana kancane bafethu. Nale box liyongena VR6 bafethu. But then the plan is to do a boot setup. Yeah, we will try by all means to convince the owner with that man. Since boot setup ibe nice yabo. But then nevertheless we are working with whatever we can at the moment. So this is the content that we have at the moment, young talk. Why don't we separate our videos way too? Like this thing, it's bigger than EVR6. When EVR6 is not like we are forever working on it, you understand? There are some other projects and you know what, sometimes you stop ngoba you need capital from a customer with akusendela imali ukuthi uyenze into ethize, you understand? You can't be working on one car. So in order for us to actually be efficient enough, siyazama ukuthi senze nezinye imoto, you understand? So that's why in this very same videos you see different cars that we are busy with. So it's unfortunate Buffet that we can't do one video. If we were to do one video, so by a 10 minutes video, and which is something that abantu bangayifuni, you understand? Now okay Buffet, now let's push ala amps. We usually don't like to screw amps sitting and so forth. We do a layout so that we can wire properly. Imoto ibe clean, ibe nice.
Yeah, VR6. So guys, this is basically a splitter, and on the side is the amps. all the positives goes on this side and all the negatives goes on this side. Keeping it clean, like cleanest. Splitter and the fuse at the same thing. Oh, look at my hands, guys. Look at my hands. Hands of magic. Yeah, VR6 sound. Done with the box. The box is done, guys. Done with the box. Just have to rubberize it from the inside, even the tubes. Okay, here are the tweeters. These are the Tigers. Tiger 23, the black ones. This is a JVC radio Bluetooth. Okay, this is the cable. Unfortunately, guys, we don't use this cable. We don't use this 4 gauge. We're using the welding cable. Using the welding cable, guys. We need all the power. So this is a 16 gauge. STC 16 gauge speaker roll. So you can wire the whole car. This was the box for the, I think it's a 4-channel or it's a monoblock. Then you go check out. Check it out. Okay, oh yeah, it's a monoblock from Bassmaster Power Base. And then these, okay, the Tiger Pro meats. The 4 of them. Then these are the 6.9s. 2 of them. Then these are 2 subs. The Tiger 40 streets. These play.
Hayi bafethu nizwele ku-chef Ramdash, nizwele u-chef Ramdash. Isikhathi sami-ke manje bafethu inje setup nizwele ukuthi this very same setup ye-VR6 bafethu. So we are planning to convince the customer ukuthi ayenze boot setup imoto ibe complete. This is the MK1 that was supposed to go to Aircam first, but then we failed due to our deadlines. Then sayiyeke project bafethu. Even the paint is still proper, but then it still needs some touch-ups because ibe yahlala yahwayeka. With that being said, bafethu, we are on. Sibuyile. Nalo ke rabbit bafethu. Upaprika. We will show you more also in this one as time goes on bafethu. Bafethu, this is the next day trying to clean the car in a sense in a bedboard. Abantu senzela ibedboard la emuva. Ayi bafethu, this was before sikhatha impahla yabona. Beyingcolile ukungcola, but then now it's clean, getting the sunroof ihleli kamnandi. Hey bafethu, imtororo. Even the sound will be nice on this car bafethu. I-backboard silishaya kanje yabona bafethu. In fact, I will just keep quiet and you see what we're actually doing yabona. Nizozibonela nani bafethu senze into enjani yabona. Umsebenzi clean bafethu. Nice things bafethu, nice things. Anani bafethu niyalibona i-backboard bafethu clean, li-rotate kamnandi, ama-edges are smooth, amnandi. So the next thing from here bafethu ukuthi silkhave nge-leather yabo. Basically we want to keep this car ibe yi-leather nje ngaphakathi, ibe na that feel yabona, ibe exclusive, ibe imoto top bafethu yabo. Hayi yona iyophuma inswembu bafethu, iyophuma inswembu. Watch bafethu, watch the space. Sizanayo kancane bafethu. I hope these videos are interesting because you are not seeing only one car. We are making sure that we put like different cars so that whenever we post bafethu expecting day one yabona, at least kube nento ezon surprise yabo. So this is what we have at the moment bafethu, but then say push i-VR6 bafethu, say push bafethu. Hey, bafethu, i-VR6 into ezisanda zime kancane. Nayi imoto yethu. This is our own car bafethu. You will see the car like Galov bafethu, 2-liter carburetor. But then you know us. It's either we will convert it sise kuma-injector bona bafethu. This is the condition eze ngayo kithi bafethu when we bought it. But hey bafethu into ezophuma la, we once had a Golf bafethu, we once had a Golf. In fact, I will just pin it so that you can see the Golf that we had. This was the Golf bafethu, this was the Golf bafethu, a head turner bafethu. Oh, Chrysler sunroof 300C. Aye bafethu, it was proper, built in a house bafethu. Even before we thought about this YouTube thing, we were building cars bafethu. Let me let you watch the masterpiece. Bamjiji ungabaza amandla wegas. Hayi makancane mfethu, imakancane. You see this one, look at it bafethu. We are making sure that we cover all the rusted areas bafethu. Siyavula la kungavulwa khona so that we can see ukuthi imoto enjani and make sure that the car comes proper wabona bafethu. So this is now bare shell, yabo. Yo bafethu, just wait for the color. You know us ngekhala bafethu. So at the moment we are just preparing the car, trying to look for rusted areas. Like we do a proper job. We make sure that we bring a car that was deemed dead to be alive bafethu. Guess bafethu, siyaspana bafethu, siyaspana bafethu, sazama ukuspana bafethu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi usabuza ukuthi isunroof soyifaka na. Baba, is that a question? Iyangena isunroof la, izongena. Noma kanjani, kanisobani thina? Yabo, some of the parts wawelile bafethu. Yabo, the car is coming. So this one is an in-house project also. Imoto engajarhekanga yabo. So that's why if we were to focus on this one project and produce one video at a time go YouTube, it will literally take time. I want about it. So now sisebenzeng into esinayo. That's why we actually I'm showing you whatever we have a workshop, even though it's not in detail bafethu. We are trying. But then as time goes on, we'll have the resources ukuthi bafethu. Maybe sithola umuntu ozowenzana ozothatha ama-video while we are working, because bafethu ngapha kumele uthenga ama-parts, i-project ngapha kumele isaqhubeka, you understand? Yeah bafethu, but then eventually we are getting there bafethu. But then angithi ulibonile i-Golf previous to Belinjani. Wait and see this one bafethu. Kuzoba i-modern Golf nalo leli bafethu, I'm telling you. So I wanna fit, we welded like all the places. Imoto mele ibuye to its proper condition bafethu. We don't leave any sheet unturned here. We make sure bafethu, we make sure. Nalikhosa bafethu sesishayile vele ipende silipendile. Yabo? Ikhosa silipendile, but then alikopheleli bafethu. Mele silipende nilibone ukuthi liphumela njani bafethu. Bafethu, one day at a time, we are pushing bafethu. You can see we are playing body feel. Ulama sides eswalungisile. We still need to cover some places, yabo. So then someone will come to you and say 15,000 incane, 20,000 incane for ukupenda imoto. While we do this to your car, we make sure that we go to each and every corner, even though sisekasi bafethu, sishaya isipana siproper bafethu. So it is what it is bafethu. Niyasazi thina bafethu, we are forever modifying bafethu. La kuhamba uzohamba ama-hardline. hamba ama-hardline wiring shama wire-tag ke la hey bafethu hey ningazodlala ningazodlala. This is gas bafethu. Nalo-ke ikhosa bafethu, ikhosa is coming nice, it's coming nice bafethu. Nayibona bafethu, clean bafethu. And you know our colors bafethu, they are rich. Phuma enye into bafethu, la kuyophuma enye into, la kuyophuma enye into this khosa bafethu, kuyophuma enye into bafethu. Nalo nali-Ford icon lihleli kamnandi lapha bafethu, while we are busy ngelona ngevelo. I-VR6 nalo sisamile ngalo, simele some of the parts ukuthi sichubeke ngespan, you understand. So bafethu nako-ke bafethu, nalikhosa bafethu. Ayikho imoto bafethu ozothi ibulile la I-gas. We make sure that iyabuya. Yes, sekas, but siyashaya ispan.
Baba ubeka kahle uJomo. Uyabona manje hayi. Ozothi manje sifake ifake manje.
Ama-coilover ayakuli VR6 bafethu, asicompromise on quality bafethu. With that being said, sunroof nayo sifaka ama-drainage pipes bafethu to make sure that the car doesn't leak. Yabo, mase sihlanganisile everything shaya of landing, asifuni into elikhayo la bafethu, sishaye proper job. Sunroofs niyazi bafethu, sithela induku siyiloya wire. Someone will tell you ukuthi mawuthela amanzi nge-2 liter, you are not testing the sunroof well. If we've been doing this thing for years now bafethu, we experience it by, as you can see, front pipes ayaphuma amanzi, nasemuva nakhona kumele sitheste bafethu amanzi ayaphuma na. Asifuni blockage la bafethu. Phela le moto ye-Rustenburg bafethu, imagine seyibuya ngoba ivuza i-sunroof, hayi no, it won't be worth it, yabo. So simele senze into esipane esisharp. Niyazibonela vele mashita amanzi ayaphuma, everything ayaphuma. Ningawari amakhwapha azoshaya nge-stone ship. Should manje bafethu kuzoba right, sazoba mnandi. Singahwayi lapha but then sazoyipolisha, yabo. Ngapha ke bafethu siphethe u-Aviwe ke bafethu, Avi 619 bafethu. Imoto came in for polishing. We are going to issue bafethu, we are going to issue Candyland. Yabo, so imoto emele ibe proper, siyibazwise. After all, this car is representing gas, uyabona bafethu, it's representing gas. Amathaya khona, everything emnandi. And we are also refurbishing ama-rims yawapenda bafethu, nama-calipers, both back and front, yabona bafethu. So we made sure that we send them ukuthi abe sharp. This very same car bafethu, this very same car i-inspire GPV 369 GPV. Yeah, well, after we did this car, then we decided, you know what, now we are doing enye foot. Yeah, this is the car that actually inspired the GPV. If in yayazi bafethu, manyazini, gender-based violence, Tiguan sunroof bafethu. Njengoba ngisasho bafethu, angikhulumi ngento yakuphi. There is the car GPV bafethu. The very same car inspired this one bafethu, yabo. Nazo-ke imoto bafethu, bafethu, ugas madoda, ugas, ubaba nomntwana wabo. Lana-ke besiphethe uRexin no-Avi no-GPV bafethu going to Candyland for a photo shoot, yabo. So we were taking rolling shots. Imoto bafethu zimoyi yambona u-Avi lapho baba thakhe emuva, oyemiyenzani baba, hayi so. So bafethu, this is our work bafethu. Yeah, even though the video is cut, but then it is clean, it is nice bafethu. These are the cars that we did at gas, three of them. You'll see the silver one just now. If video message opele, yeah. Nayibona. So bafethu, we are driving like that. We are heading to Candyland photo shoot. We were invited. So represent that bafethu. Asifikile bafethu. Sasha Itombe. The show, I think it will be on the 25th of July. So I don't know what le video ngizoyiposta nini, but then nevertheless we will be there bafethu, we will be there. Yabo. So bafethu it's important bafethu ngitshela abafazi ukuthi nizobhoboza igedegede. Yabona even no-Avi la wenze sure ukuthi igedegede ziyabhoboza ukuthi imoto engiyisa egas. Yabo nanoma kuyimampara.
Mina ngiyibona ukuthi ngabe ngizima kakhulu ube nalokho.
I want to say Velani.
Estika gari wasingeko mama. Estika sakho. Lajingo ntoni izimotweni wasingeko because now
Ngiyifaka manje khuleka.
uyabona isaka.
Right, and 11
No, aviolenta iko right.
best setup.
Right the setup le. The setup number 1. Polish ama headline.
Bafethu I don't need to say anything bafethu nani yazibonela. Yashine imoto bafethu. Yo, yashine imoto bafethu. Ngapha test fit rim VR6 while we're waiting for what is this thing for the original rims wale moto to awome because we painted them, yabo. So the car is kahle. Cover the paint work papa. Sivusile again.
Konke enzakala. Kuyahlangana. Yahlangana mabizo.
Wana bafethu every time makuza ama-chance abantu bayenzela imoto bafethu bangaletha ama-complaints beze ngokuzokuvakashela. It becomes nice. This is one of our friends Uboyitumelo naye nale Goal 5. We did this one bafethu. We did this one. Yo, a suspension put setup. You will see some of the videos konala on our page, Facebook page, I guess. This one we hooked it up by fitting a P7 down. Then we also installed a sunroof S3. Pegalele PC, papa. Pegalele PC. Ay, bafethi bakancane. One of the cleanest Goal 5 we ever did bafethi. Nalo lapha igusheshe lihlile lapha. Sibhizi nalo. Hey, ungatha ubonanga mase iphuma le moto. It's a surprise bafethi. Nice things bafethi, next things bafethi. Gas bafethi to the world. Spanish as sharp bafethi. Nequid ke da lizile bafethi na liquid. Lifuna ukushaya Spanish fast. It got hit esayidini. Hey bafethi, ukupheka into yethu bafethi. And what we serve on the menu, you eat that. Nizwa ngathi. Gas chef Rampesh awusuka mati.
Maqanda sen. Palone mina. Cha. Umthetho omtshalo mama. Yo sisengxakini. Umthetho wanamhlanje.
Bro, we don't just apply body feel kuphela ngoba sizama silula imoto ngebody feel. We try and make sure that siyayilula imoto ibe back to its original condition. Nomnyanga sisufakile mfethu sizama ukushisela nyana. This was the old door. So now liyahlangana this one fast job bafethu. Ibuyele kumnikazi imoto. Simple, yabo. Nice things.
Hayi kahle. Umancane nje wena. Hlisa umoya.
Yabona ke la bafethu abathakathi bayifake umadubula kahle. Sifaka umadubula sithi body feel iside lonke shoot manje. Le moto le bafethu mele iphume clean. We'll try to smoothen it out. Yabona semnandi kanjani bafethu mnandi. The side is prepared. Then from here we are applying paint bafethu. Applying paint imoto ibuyele esimeni right. Yabo? So bafethu kahle ispan said siyasdabula bafethu. Lespanele sisicove uma 2 days basically unpackila the area fake isivalo and paint the car because imoto beyijaharile wona bafethu. So we made sure siyayithela without a paint booth, Buffett, but then we make sure whenever we do our job, Buffett, but then eventually izinto zizohlangana, yabo. Buffett, to please subscribe, follow us on Facebook. Yeah, Buffett, share the video. With that being said, nalogi quit Buffett too. This side is fully painted, Buffett. This side is fully painted. Izoshoda nje ngey'tikha lezi mnyama ezilapha, then we good to go.
And never in the team.
No, a violent
No,
type,
this is the
alright.
best setup.
He right in the setup. The setup number one. Polish ama hardline.
Nomzilo Bafethu aview Bafethu. Uthi setup sharp. So siyenze last year that setup Bafethu. Whereby imoto be brown ngaphakathi, as you can see now, brown and black. So we want to match the interior ne setup as far. Aview it ufuni sound Bafethu. Senza yonke into la ekhaya. Now mama Twitter, I think that these are 3,000 watts. This one 1.7 watts Bafethu. Spitting a mid-range i4, mid-range i4 with Tiger. On the Pro Bafethu mele ziwe blind. The other thing is that we decided to actually do a new box, because the one that we had building a means ngaphakathi. So now we just fake pipe lamasimba bana. Yeah. By pipe lamasimba Bafethu. Good ziwe. But then, as you all know, Bafethu, setup is not for those heavy sound. Yabo? Nalo-ke Bafethu amalona ama-hard lines siwapolishiwe azoba nice. Whatever you are seeing here is dismantled. Yabo, dismantled Bafethu. Ukuthi siqala phansi, iqala ka-A ngento ezisharp. Izoba na 2 subs the way being akhona, but then now sifuna faka le pipe leli yabona leli likamasipala, so shaya ngalo likamasipala ukuthi aziwe.
Out with the old. Now we want to make a Ras. New wiring, new speakers, ready to roll. Installing the via air dual needle gauge, as we are using custom management.
Whenever you have a put setup, especially if you wanna flash it nemoto to be nice, you won't be having that a huge base and so forth. Zubani base a normal, a clean hotman base, you understand? Yabona if fully flashed, so in the panel or some side ibe mnyama yonke. Back to VR6 Bafethu. Ama-coils siwafikile, sikhiphe bring into ekumele siyenze ukuthi nje imoto siyirubberized, as you can see here we rubberized it to prevent ilona i-corrosion ngapha senzani. We made sure that suspension is clean because now it needs to be fully painted. With that being said Bafethu, We are just doing touch-ups. Everything that is rusted, we make sure it clean. This car bafethu izoba proper. Mfana siyifake steam wash. This car must be clean bafethu. Skipper yonke into, makalipa, you name it. Then we paint them, yabo. Nama disc sifaka mayamasha, especially the front ones, yabo. So imoto bafethu sifake stone chip la ngaphansi lana, yabo, to make sure that the corrosion asayifuni corrosion kule moto le. Suspension is being painted. Nice things bafethu. Nalo move VR6 to come bafethu. Caliper clean, bright red. Still a bright red. You see this one, ne? Alish bafethu, alish lelungwa ungayenza nwenzini. We know when you painted it like that. Isn't as color like. Yabo. So basically la kule moto le yafedis. Siyakuduza. Yabo. We make sure that everything is proper. This thing of content creation is okhulumile, but then nevertheless it is what it is. It's job bafethu. Cover bafethu, suspension. Nice, never fit. Clean bafethu. We are doing the Lord's work bafethu. Nice. We even added some detailing here and there. Whatever. So the car is proper now. This car is proper. Then the next thing, coil. Phakathi, handle now, so bender. So anything that is black, say bender. When I see bender footing, it kind of met nyana black nyana, not a glossy black. Whatever. To give it that original look. But then nevertheless, bafethu isn't. Yahlangana VR6. Hey, bafethu, nalo, new disc bafethu, yabona, clean, nice things. Coilover is in. Sizanayo, hanyani, sizanayo babot, sizanayo. With that being said, swacovile bafethu amarim, so avayisa. Ayo refabishiwa. Yabo. Ube into clean. We don't want to take chances here. Yabo. So we took the rims to make lab bafethu to show a perfect job, yabo. With that being said, asifuna uthatha ama chance la. Mali clean le moto bafethu, very clean. V. Bafethu nango V. Polished, ready for candle. GPV is next. It needs to be polished also. So in for air. Hey, Lisigo. Yeah, MNJ. Ikalofu. Obvious. Color change, Buffett, you will see. Defenders there. Yeah. Good. I'm from the Calaxis, John. Calaxis. Bafethu yahlangana VR6. Hanyani. Coils phakathi. For the icon bafethu. Asigol polish seza nayo. Yehla. Ayisuka.
kanje.
Bhuti. Hey, Lisigo. Yeah, MNJ. Igalofu. Obvious. Color change, Buffett. You will see. Defenders there.
Yeah.
Good.
Oi.
I'm from the color season, John. Color season. Buffett, iyahlangana iVR6. Hanyani. Coils phakathi. Ford Icon bafethu. Asikol polish seza nayo. Bafethu, this is the next day bafethu. Say polish bafethu. I-icon bafethu. Yabona i-gold yet bafethu. Our colors are the best bafethu. I won't lie. Who knows, maybe we'll be the next Matt Armstrong. Whereby so basesidila ngeproject eyi-1 lapho ke big things, big cars mfana. Yeah. But then KZN will be happy bafethu.